Hey guys, welcome to another day on my channel. Today I want to share with you a tour of my room and the view at my recent mental getaway at the Grand Bahia. Okay guys, so this is the room. I'll just open it. Let's go in and see what it is. So first, let's see. Turn on the lights. Pressing things at this point. I don't see any difference. This one comes on when you press the light. Open the door. Okay. First, there's a closet. And let's see. You step back so you can see. This is the closet in the entryway. And then open it, there's an iron board in there. I don't know what that bench is for. The bench, some hangers. You can't really see, but I don't see an option to turn on lights in there. There's a safe for anyone who wants to put away their valuables with a little note on it. Two blankets. Disclaimer, this is actually my second room because I had another room and that room has leaves, so they changed my room. This is the bathroom. This is a view from outside. So when we go in, I'm going to flip the camera so you can see there's a shower. Okay, I'm trying to find the light for this. See it, but there's a shower. Let's close the door. Okay. And then the toilet is off in this private area. It's not locked in. It's open area for the toilet. There's a phone in there. And that's the toilet. You have a nice mirror and makeup. This one was actually pretty helpful this morning, but I had one. Yeah, it's against the wall. And so can we give you 2 glasses, soaps, lotion, and 2 rags, and extra towels. And that's the section. And then they have a tub, extra towels on there. And that's what they do. Okay. Then you come on out to come into the main area, which has this, what size bed is this? Looks like a king size bed. Yeah, and then you have a lamp, a phone, drawers, not a lot of drawers, and then this desk. But I don't see how you open this desk, so I guess you just put stuff on top of it. This is the air control. Small TV, but it's okay. You're here for vacation and you're not here for a big screen TV, in my opinion. They give you a little mini bar and it comes with essentials in it. Right? I'm gonna close that. Mirror again. And then 2 more glasses. A little coffee maker. Ooh, is this one metal? Can't say I've seen a middle one before. Another lamp, standing lamp. Of course, you can see I was laying there. I came in, I was so exhausted, I just plopped right there. There's a sitting area, and then there's a. That's a little soiled if you can see it. Sitting area. Another side table. And then when you come outside, there's this. What is that, guys? Interesting. How do you open this now? No clue. Again. Is it locked? It's locked. Alright, I'll figure it out. And it's, oh, yeah, okay. Trying to get through this stuff. And then there's a thing here. I guess you open it. And then you open from there. When you come out. It was raining very hard recently, so you'll have another sitting area that walks in. See that. And then the view guys. The view. Awesome. Great. Again, thank you for watching and see you next time.